10 incredible ways dry fasting can heal your body naturally. Dry fasting health benefits. Did you know your body has the ability to heal itself naturally, even when you stop eating, and even when you stop drinking water for a short time? It might sound surprising, but during dry fasting, your body doesn't just sit there doing nothing. Instead, it begins to activate powerful healing processes. It can burn fat for energy, clean out damaged cells, rest and repair important systems. And scientists are still learning how all of this works. In today's video, we're going to explore 10 incredible ways dry fasting can help your body heal naturally, in a simple way that anyone can understand. Some of these may really surprise you. What is dry fasting? Let's keep this simple. Dry fasting means no food, no water, for a period of time. This practice has been around for a long time. People have used it for spiritual reasons, health reasons, personal discipline. Now, more people are becoming curious about it because they want to understand what happens inside the body. Can it help with healing? The truth is, your body is very smart. When you stop giving it food and water for a short time, it doesn't panic. Instead, it starts using what it already has inside. So let's look at 10 powerful ways your body may begin to heal itself. 1. Dry fasting reduces inflammation. Inflammation is how your body reacts when something is wrong. For example, swelling, pain, irritation. Some inflammation is normal, but too much of it over time can cause problems. When you fast, your body gets a break from constant eating and digesting. This may help the body calm down, focus on repair. Think of it like this. If your body is always busy processing food, it has less time to fix other things. Fasting gives it a chance to slow down and work on healing. 2. Your body starts burning fat for energy. When you stop eating, your body first uses stored sugar. But after that runs out, it switches to burning fat. This is natural. Your body says, no food coming in, let's use stored energy. So it breaks down fat and uses it as fuel. This process can support energy needs, help reduce excess fat, and as you'll see later, fat burning is connected to other healing processes too. 3. Your body begins cleaning itself. This is one of the most powerful effects. Your body has a natural way of cleaning out damaged parts inside your cells. This process is called autophagy. But let's make it simple. It means your body removes old, damaged, or weak cell parts. Then it recycles them. It's like cleaning your house. You throw away what you don't need. You keep what still works. This helps your cells stay healthier and work better. 4. Dry fasting supports natural detox processes. Your body already has built-in systems to clean itself. These include the liver, the kidneys, the skin. During dry fasting, your body starts using stored fat for energy. And inside fat, there can be stored substances. When fat is broken down, your body may begin to process and remove some of these substances. So fasting may support your body's natural cleaning systems, not replace them. 5. Your metabolism becomes more efficient. Your metabolism is how your body uses energy. When you fast, your body learns to use energy more wisely. Switch between fuel sources. This makes your body more flexible and efficient. Instead of depending only on food, your body becomes better at using what it already has. 6. Your digestive system rests. Your digestive system works all the time, every time you eat. But during dry fasting, it gets a break. No constant processing, no constant workload. This rest helps the body focus on repair, recover from stress. Think of it like turning off a machine so it can cool down and reset. 7. Dry fasting supports immune system balance. Your immune system helps protect your body. During dry fasting, your body shifts its focus. Instead of always digesting food, it begins to focus more on maintenance and protection. Scientists are still studying this, but dry fasting helps the body work more efficiently in defending itself. 8. Many people experience better mental clarity. This is something many people notice. During dry fasting, they say, I feel more clear, more focused. Why? When your body burns fat, it produces ketones. These are used by the brain as energy. Some people find this type of energy feels steady, calm, focused, so instead of feeling slow or tired, they feel more alert. 9. Your body balances hormones. Hormones control many things in your body, like energy, hunger, repair processes. During dry fasting, your body begins to adjust hormone levels to help you adapt. This helps your body stay balanced, work more efficiently. 10. Your body enters a powerful healing mode. This is where everything comes together. When you dry fast, your body enters what we can call a powerful healing mode. Your body becomes more efficient, more focused, more protective. It starts to use stored energy, repair cells, support important systems. This shows something very powerful. Your body is designed to survive and maintain itself, and to heal. Warning: important safety note. Before you try anything like this, it's important to be careful. Dry fasting is not for everyone. You should be cautious if you have a medical condition, are pregnant, are taking certain medications. If you're unsure, it's always best to speak with a qualified health professional. Summary: let's quickly go over the 10 ways dry fasting helps your body heal. 1. Reduce inflammation. 2. Burn stored fat. 3. Clean damaged cells. 4. Support detox processes. 5. Improve metabolism. 6. Rest the digestive system. 7. Support immune balance. 8. Improve mental clarity. 9. Help balance hormones. 10. Activate a powerful healing mode. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more videos on dry fasting, natural healing, and health transformation. And I'd love to hear from you. Which of these benefits surprised you the most? Have you experienced any of these before? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.